was back there in seminary school, there was a person there who put forth the proposition that you can petition the Lord with prayer. Petition the Lord with prayer. Petition the Lord with prayer. You cannot petition the Lord with prayer. Can you give me sanctuary? I must find a place to hide, a place for me to hide. Can you find me soft asylum? I can't make it anymore. The man is at the door. Peppermint mini skirts, chocolate candy, champion socks and a girl named Sandy. There's only four ways to get and unravel. One is to sleep and the other is travel the dawn. One is abandoned up in the hills. One is to love your neighbor till his wife gets home. Catacombs, nursery bones, winter women, growing stones, carrying babies to the river. Streaks and shoes, avenues, leather riders selling news. The monk bought lunch. He bought a little. Yes, he did. Wow! This is the best part of the trip. This is the trip. The best part. I really like what he said. Successful hills are here to stay. Everything must be this way. Channel Street where people play. Welcome to the Salt Parade. All our lives we sweat and save, building for a shallow grave. Must be something else we say, somehow to defend this place. Everything must be this way. Everything must be this way. heart's desire.